Okay, so let's see. Okay, so we know all. Okay, this is a PostgreSQL DBA course. During this course, we'll cover below topics. So the Linux installation and basic commands, then SQL, PLSQL, then PostgreSQL DBA topics. Then after we'll cover Cloud AWS Azure topics, then resume preparation. So apart from this, we are going to cover secondary skills, Oracle Core DBA. Just we have to know at least basics, the secondary skills. So this is the primary skill, PostgreSQL DBA. So we'll cover from basic to advanced level. So for secondary skill, we have to know at least some basic commands. Oracle DBA will cover. Okay, so yesterday we installed Oracle Linux. Okay, so with the default partitions. Partitions means mount points in Windows. In Windows, we know. So in Windows like C drive, D drive, E drive. Here in Linux, you can say mount points. Okay. So today we'll install Oracle Linux, the same Oracle Linux with custom partitions. I want to install Oracle Linux with below partitions. Suppose you can say /u01, how much we need, suppose 90 GB, /u02, /u02. So suppose 20 GB, slash backup to keep the backup files, suppose 20 GB. Okay, so like this, I want to install Oracle Linux software. I want to install Oracle Linux software with the customized partitions, not default. I want to install Oracle Linux with customized part. I want to create my own partitions. So yesterday we have done Oracle Linux, the same Linux software installation, but default partitions. This can- So today we are going to install Oracle Linux. So with our own partitions, I want to create partitions these like this. /u01 90 GB, /u02 20 GB, slash backup. Like this, I want to create my own partitions. In real time, the Linux team, they will create. Even we don't have access as a DBA. But as a DBA, the whole DBA career, they are working on top of Linux operating system only. So we have, if you know this Linux installation, how to create partitions, so that is so that become as a good DBA. Okay, so we'll install Oracle Linux with the own partitions. So for install Oracle Linux, what we require? We need we need to download Oracle VirtualBox. So where we can download? Just you can use this. You can see this is download Oracle VirtualBox. Download VirtualBox. Click on Windows host. It's going to start download Oracle VirtualBox application software. Using this virtual application, we are going to create virtual missions. Once download this VirtualBox software, how can install? Just after download, just go to download folder. Go to download folder, double click on the setup file, click on yes, click on accept license, click on next and finish. This is how we are going to install Oracle VirtualBox application. So okay, you can see, let me go to download folder. Yes, this is still its download completes. Just double click on this. This is the setup file software. Just double click on this, click on next, finish. This is how we are installing. Click on yes. You can say preparing to install. Click on next. So it's already installed in my case. So in your case, if not yet installed, just click on double click on the setup file. Click on yes. Click on accept license. Click on next and finish. That's how we are installing Oracle VirtualBox. Next. So once install Oracle VirtualBox application, we need to create a virtual mission. We need to create a virtual mission. How to create a virtual mission? These are the high level steps. You can say download Oracle VirtualBox and Oracle Linux. So we already download Oracle VirtualBox application. We installed. How to download this Oracle Linux software? You can say. So this is the website where we can download Oracle Linux software. Let me go to this website. Here you can say, so it gives the all the latest version for Oracle Linux. We are using Oracle Linux. So the latest version is 10.0. We are using 8.10. You have to download this DVD ISO image file. Click on this. Under full ISO, you can download 8.10 version. Click on here. So it started to download. You can see what is the size of this? Almost 13 GB. Okay. So this is how we are downloading Oracle Linux 8.10. If you want to download 10.0, you have to click on this one. If you need 9.6, click here. If you need 9.5, based on the which version you want, the respective under full ISO, you can click on the respective link. So now we started download Oracle Linux 8.10 64-bit. So its total size is 13 GB. Okay. So once download Oracle Linux, so we need to install Oracle Linux. So before installing Oracle Linux, we need to create a virtual machine. How to create a virtual machine? Just once install Oracle box, you can open this Oracle virtual box application. So how to create virtual machine? You can see the same, you can follow this document. I updated the document. So let me open. So before previous version, this version small differences. I updated the document. So just follow this document. Oracle steps to install Oracle Linux 8.10. Open VM, click on new, create virtual machine. Next, give the below details for the mission. Mission name, mission folder where you want to save this mission background, and type Linux, subtype Oracle Linux, Oracle Linux. Let me create, click on new. So what we have to give? Mission name. So let me give Oracle Linux 8. You can give any name. This is the mission name, computer name, virtual computer name. Where you want to save this background? I want to save inside C drive VB folder. So here you need to select the Linux. The subtype version it's automatically selected. Just select the Linux. So you can say the same. Yes, Linux, Oracle Linux, Oracle Linux 64-bit. Next, what we do? Click on next. Give memory size. Here you can say click on next. Click on next. Give the memory size. How much memory? Suppose I want to give 7 GB. 7048 MB means 7 GB. Click on next. So next in the document you can say click on next, give the memory size. Yes, I given 7 GB. Then click on next, assign the hard disk storage 200 GB. Let me give, click on just 200 GB. Yeah, I assign the hard disk storage. Then click on next. In the document also same steps. Verify all the details. Click on finish. Let me verify. So what is the mission name? I given Oracle Linux 8. So where I save the folder C VB folder. Then what is the base memory 7 GB, disk size 200 GB. Once verify all the details, click on finish. This is how we are creating virtual machine using VirtualBox Manager. Clear? So once create virtual machine, once created virtual machine, we created virtual machine. Next we need to start Oracle Linux 8.10 installation. Once create virtual machine, assign some properties, assign OS to this Linux machine along with some properties. Yes, we need to attach the OS which we downloaded operating system. We need to attach the OS to this machine. How to attach the OS to this machine? So which machine you want to install? This is the machine. Just to select the left side, select the machine, click on settings. Click on settings. So here you can say first we need to, so some properties we need to assign. In the general, in the system tab, the same you can say click on mission settings. Then go to the system. You can assign pointing device to USB multi-touch tablet. Let me here multi-touch tablet. Next after just go to the storage. Please click on mute. Hello. So storage, we need to assign the operating system. So click on first symbol, add optical drive. So where you download the where we have software. I have a software in download file. You can say click on the downloads. This is the software 8.10. Click on open. Click on choose. Yes, the software attached. Then go to the network. Here choose the bridged adapter. Just go to the system. You have to choose pointing device. Then go to the storage. Attach the software which we downloaded operating system. Then go to the network. Check the attach it to bridged adapter. Then click on OK. Yes, we attach the software under along with some properties. We done this step. Next, we need to start installation Oracle Linux. How to start? You can see the document. We done same. Attach the software. After attaching, we are able to see. Just go to the network. Change the bridge adapter. Next, after complete setup, just click on OK to start the mission. Just click on start. You can say this is the one. Now we are starting the installation. By using Oracle Linux 8.10 software, it's trying to start installation procedure. Let's wait. Any queries, let me know. Click on enter. If you don't want to wait 90 seconds something, it start the installation immediately. Let's wait. It's verifying rejects.
Venkat, I have a query.
Go ahead.
Yeah, yesterday I had installed the Linux with memory of with the hard disk of 200 GB.
Uh-huh.
If you want to change it now, is it possible to change it now?
Yes, you can
And
DF just after login to root user, give DF5 an edge. There it lists all the mount points. Each
okay,
mount point how much assigned. Yeah, I will show you after this installation.
okay. Yeah.
Don't worry. Because in Windows, how you can verify? So like go to the PC, there you can check, right? Second say each drive how much assigned total capacity each drive. So if you add this three, you can get the total storage, correct? The same way in Linux mission, after login to Linux mission with root user, you can give the df-h. There it gives all the list of mount points.
No, actually, I want to change the total size.
Means after installation of OS.
Yes, yes.
So after installation, okay, in real time, we even the installation part, we are not involved in the installation part.
Okay,
So if you want to change that, that will be Linux task actually. Why we need to deep in that Linux task? You can go and do R&D in the DBA task. That will be useful for us, right? We are DBAs. We are not
okay,
Linux admin.
okay.
Okay. Once installation is done, we cannot change the hard disk. If you want to assign the external storage, but those all the things will be done by Linux admin. So don't worry about those all the things. Just installation, how to create the partitions. This is how they are done Linux team in real time. We are DBA. We raise a ticket with Linux team. We need these are the mount points. So and so server. They will install the Linux machine. They create what are the mount points requested. So they share with us. This is the server. This is the IP address. This is the username. This is the password. So this mission installed operating system with specified partitions. Like this, they inform us once they're done.
One more question I have, Venkat. Ownership also they will provide, right? Alliance team, but we are not
Yes,
give, yes,
everything. We
do
need to
anything.
tell. As a DBA, we need to
Yes.
tell.
What
So
what,
which what
what
mount
group we
point
required?
required,
Yes.
what is the
What
owner of the mount point, what user, yes, everything we need to tell. Correct. Suppose owner is different. You need to raise a ticket with Linux team. This mount point should be owned by Postgres user. We are going to install the database software. So for database, it's a user is Postgres. So this mount point also should be owned by Postgres user. So they change it. We don't have rights to change the OS level.
Just Naga is asking one question for us, Venkat. So, for example, see after see he's assigned the 32 maybe TB maybe memory also. After assigning this, can we change like that? But
Memory we
people
can change anytime. Memory we can change anytime. You can increase, decrease. Once after installation also we can change the memory. But after installation, the hard disk we cannot change because it's allocated, right? Each mount point. Before
no. First time they people will be allocated, but we are not allocated. If required means we will be allocated, right, Venkat? See, we have to inform them. Just I'm very just a little
after
bit.
installation, right? You are
Yes,
asking?
yes, 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 yes,
Yeah,
yes.
in local system, after installation, we cannot change. In
Correct.
real time, Linux team, they can assign, decrease, they can increase, they can decrease the
Correct.
mount point
Bone point.
size. That will
Exactly.
be done
Exactly.
by Linux
Ex
team. In
yes.
real time, it's possible, yes.
Yes. Correct. Correct.
Because they are Linux admin, they
But
knows everything.
yes,
We
yes.
are DBAs,
Correct.
we
Correct.
knows everything from point of view database, not
Correct.
Linux, right?
Correct. Correct.
Okay.
But thanks, Venkat,
Yeah,
for
no
your
problem.
clear information for us.
Yeah, thanks. So can say, so once we create virtual mission, attach the software, just click on start. The mission is going to start the installation procedure. What is the next step? Select the language and click on continue. Next, click on software selection. You can say, let me, so select the language. Yes, it's already default selected English, United States. Yes, the default language selected. Just click on, let me scroll. Yeah, click on continue. You can say, so once click on continue. Next, we have to select the software selection. Let me go to software selection. Can say here. So by default, it's selected with the software. Let me. Yeah. So server with GUI, you have to select these all packages. Let me, because if you select how many packages, those many packages going to install. We need all the packages. We don't want to miss any package. So you have to check mark. Going to install whatever the you selected, those packages only going to install. Let me select all the things. Can say I selected all the things. Yes. Server with the GUI, left side the server with the GUI, right side you have to select all the things. Click on done. We done with the software selection. Next, I can say, so select the server GUI and tick all the packages like shown below. Yes, we are done. Next, click on installation destination. Installation destination. This is the one. So can say which one selected right now? Automatic or custom partition. Here we need to decide how you are going to install, whether it is automatic partition or customized partition. Automatic partition means it's created default partitions. It's not our own partitions. If you want to create your own partition, you have to select a storage configuration, customized. Customized configuration. I need to create my own partitions. I don't want to go with automatic partition. Just select the custom. Check the hard disk. How much I assign hard disk for this? 200 GB. Just the storage configuration, click on custom, then select the storage, click on done. You can say, so just you can, no, yes, done. Yeah, I can say when you click on done, click here, create them automatically. Okay, click on this. So it's created default partitions. It's created default partitions, but I don't want to go with the default partitions. I want to change the default partition to, I want to create some partitions. So how much allocated for this slash home default partition created? I did not create a slash home, slash boot. These are the partitions. Slash boot, swap. Slash home, how much allocated? So 122 GB allocated by default. System is created with the default partitions. I'm going to change slash home to slash u01. How much slash u01 we require? Suppose 70 GB. Suppose 80 GB. Yes. 80 GB allocated u01. Okay. So let's say I changed the slash home to slash u01. How much? 80 GB. What is the available space? Can say total 200 GB in the C in the bottom. Total space, how much we assigned for this server? Storage 200 GB. How much free? Available space 40 GB free. The remaining rest all are allocated to slash 70 GB allocated, slash boot 1 GB allocated, swap memory 6 GB allocated. So I want to create what partitions you want to create. Slash u01 I created. So slash u02 I want to create. Slash u02. Click on plus symbol. Give the mount point name. Give the desired size. How much size you want to slash u02? Slash u02. U01 already existing. Slash u02 I want to 30 GB. Can say add mount point. Yes, slash u02 it's created. How much free space available? If you want to create another partition, yes, we can create and assign up to 12 GB only, because available free space is 12 GB only. The rest all are allocated to each partition. Slash u01 80 GB. Slash you can add this all the details. 80 plus 30 110. 110 plus 70. How much? 180. 180 plus how much? These two. Almost 8. 8. 180 plus 80. Almost 190. Close to 190. How much space available? 200 minus 190. The 12 GB available. Yes. You can add the details, each partition size. You can sum of all these partitions. You can get the total capacity. So now if you want to create slash backup, yes, to keep the backup files in real time like this mount points. Suppose I want to assign 10 GB. 10 GB. Yes. Add mount point. Yes. I created my own partitions. Yes or no? Slash backup is there. Slash u01 is there. Slash u02 is there. Slash this is the root file system 70 GB. Slash boot. Slash swap. So this is how we are creating the partitions in real time. But as a DBA, we don't bother about how they are creating. Linux team, they will take care. But as a DBA, we have to understand. If you know this, all the things, yes, this become as a good DBA. Okay. So click on done. Click on accept changes. So we done installation destination part. Can see which partition selected here. It's displaying which partition, customer or automatic. Yes, you have to speak out. Which partition selected? Which partition you are able to see here?
Custom partition.
Custom partition means we created our own partitions. Yes, it's not a default partition. We added 3 partitions along with the default partitions. So once we done this one, yes, click on network host name. Each server, it has a host name specified. Each computer, it has one host name, server name, computer name, both are same. So let me give so it's a default host name is there. I don't want to continue with the default host name. What is the default host name? Yes, in some internet they can ask. What is the default host name? This is the default host name mentioned. I don't want to continue with the default host name. I want to specify some customized host name for this server. What is this? Oracle Linux 8.oracle.com. So out of this is the host full name. Out of this is the domain name. You can keep domain name. This is the domain name. IBM.com, TechMahindra.com, like this. So Oracle.com. So this is the host shortcut name, the highlighted one. Oracle Linux 8 is the host shortcut name. The full, someone asked, can you please tell me computer full name? You have to tell these all the things for Oracle Linux 8.oracle.com. Then click on configure. So here general, connect automatically with the priority. There is each server, there is a Ethernet card is there. Ethernet card, network card, people call as a network card. If network card is connected, then only you can connect from remotely. So for that purpose, you have to check mark this whenever the server is started, automatically connected this network card. The network card is, this is the network card, Ethernet card. Click on save. In the this section, we need to enable this one. We need to enable this one, network card, Ethernet card. You can say this is the Ethernet card now connected. If you off means it's disconnected. What is the purpose of this Ethernet card? If the your network card is connected for the server, you can connect it to remotely using PuTTY, using WinSCP. In Oracle DB, Oracle servers, the Ethernet card is very, very important. Network card. For the PostgreSQL also, if you want to connect remotely, this network card should be enabled. Now you can say connected. Okay, you need to enable this and click on configure. There you can check mark and give the host name here. Some people they forget about give the host name. It takes the default one. Click on done. We are done. Set up the network and host name. So you can say wired connected. The ENP0S3, that is the network card. Wired card is connected. So we have done installation destination. We have done network host name. We have done software selection. Language support. If you want to which language currently, it's United States. Yes, we are done. So next time and date. We are in India. So if you want to set up IST, yes, click here. Map. You can say Asia Kolkata. Click on done. The time and date changed. It's converted. It's currently assigned Kolkata, Asia Kolkata time zone. Root password. So when you install any Linux, default will get one user. What is the username? The username is root. So the username root, it's created automatically while installation any Linux operating system. For that user, you need to provide the password. What password you want to maintain? You can type here what password. So I am giving Oracle. Yes, that password you have to remember. Password, confirm password. Click on done. Yes, I assigned the password for root. Root password, the username root. You need to assign the password. That's it. The root user created automatically. We are not created. So we have done all the things. Software selection we have done. System in the under system we have done installation destination. We have done a network host name. Under localization we have done language support. We have done time and date. We have done root password. So the user creation. Yes, you can create one sample user ABC. Password ABC. It's asking some sample user and assign the password. That's fine. We created one sample user ABC. We have done all the details. Click on done. So now you can see here begin install. You have to assign. You have to done all the things, all the options. Once you done, yes, you done all the options. Click on begin installation. It's going to start the installation part. So how long it will take? It will take almost 40 to 45 minutes because the software size itself 13 GB is there for installation, for uninstallation. That's why it takes time. That's why people are using Oracle Linux. Even hackers cannot hack the system. It's providing more security. Linux operating system. Okay, so it's trying to fetch the packages, all the packages. It's trying to install all the packages. Once install all the packages, it's required to ask to reboot the system, reboot the Linux machine. Once we reboot the Linux machine, we can log into with root user. There we can see df-h. We can see what are the partitions we created. Same partitions we can see. U01, U02 slash backup. You can give any name. Not you can give slash your name also. It's not mandatory slash U01 slash U02 slash backup. But we have to maintain some standards to keep the backup file slash backup. In general, they are maintaining Linux mount point system mount points slash U01 slash U02 slash data for Postgres data directory slash backup to keep the backup files. Like this, they are maintaining. Any queries from anyone? Because if you familiar with Linux installation, you feel this course is very easy. If you stuck with installation part, you feel this is very typical, then immediately can change the trying to join other courses. So it's only one time the installation procedure the same. If you go with this installation procedure every day we have to follow the same steps. In real time also as a DBA we have document everything before implementing any task for for any admin course, any admin job, Linux admin, storage admin, database admin, any admin job, before doing any task, there should be POCs there, proof of concept. The POC should be verified by manager and leads. If they are okay, then we follow the document, POC document, we can start our task. That's why it's very easy admin jobs. So that PostgreSQL DBA, PostgreSQL admin job, it's a very easy to survive because compared to other database, the syllabus is very less, the topics are very less. It's a very easy learn. And a huge requirement is there outside. HRs also they are challenging to get the profiles, PostgreSQL DBA profiles. If you see outside Oracle DBA, yes, a number of people are there. MS SQL, yes, but PostgreSQL DBA, we could not see PostgreSQL DBA profiles. There's a huge demand is there outside. So for easy learn, for less competition, these are factors. These are the factors. These are the main reason to get the job within 1 to 2 months. Our students completion of course, they get the offer within 2 months, 2-3 offers, not one day. After completion of course, after 3 months, when you keep the resume from starting, they keep the resume within 2 months, they get the 2-3 offers because we are covering from basic to advanced Linux installation, Linux commands, then SQL, PLSQL, then DBA, then cloud, then resume preparation. Then people are interested. We are going to cover Oracle DBA, core DBA, but the people are not interesting. But even though without Oracle core DBA, with PostgreSQL DBA, they get the offers. You can verify in my YouTube channel. I covered almost core DB almost 15 classes. If students are there to interesting to take the classes, yes, I want to cover Oracle core DB, entire core DB. That will be good. That will be weightage to your profile. Okay, so any queries from anyone? Any queries? Let me know if you have any. Okay, the classes will be Monday to Friday. Weekend there is no classes. The same timings 8 to 9 a.m. IST. Okay, so almost we this Monday we started this batch. So we completed 5 sessions. Okay, before Monday, if you who are interested to continue this batch, let me know. So I will add you into right group and you can try to pay the first term fees. We will be 20,000. The first term 10,000, second term 10,000. So you can if you want to, if you feel comfort, okay, you can try to pay the first term fees. At least give me update whether it is continue or not. Okay, so the next 3 to 4 classes we discuss about Linux commands. The installation only 2 methods with the default partitions, with the customized partitions. We already done. Yesterday we done default partitions. Today we are doing installation with the custom partitions. So next class we are going to discuss Linux commands. So each day we'll discuss 15 commands, 4 classes, 4 into 15, 60 commands. That more enough to work as a DBA. We are not Linux admin. Don't think more about Linux. You can think about a DBA, database administrator. We are not Linux admin. Okay. So let it complete.
Whenever it is no, Venkat, whenever it is necessary beyond the Linux command, we have Google and we have a AI, right? We can ping and pick the commands, right? There
Yes,
is not.
but we can take help from Linux admin.
Yes, but mandate is very important to us for every DB, right?
Yeah, yes. So whatever the 60 commands, those more enough. Okay. If any
Yes,
other maybe one or two, yes, you can get it Google.
correct, correct, correct,
But
correct.
they're not asking Linux commands, right? Those
No,
60 commands more enough to okay to work as a database administrator.
but compared to us, Linux guys are well and good about the Linux commands. No, Venkat.
Yeah, yes. Okay.
Hi Venkat, how about the migrations? The if it's in your classes is showing the teaching the migrations also, the Oracle to Postgres or any other migrations?
I think Venkat on mute. I think he will be come back soon, right?
Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, I agree with the concept though. The Postgres is a full demand in outside of the India also. Even outside of India also they're asking to Postgres DBS admins.
That correct, Nagendra, but they are filtering so much of the things, Nagendra. See, not only for maybe Oracle, but inside the PostgreSQL, they are filtering so many things. Not only for the you are saying installation, backup, restore, recovery. These are all not things. They are filtering each and every concept. They are filtering. Who's those are confident? Who's those are handle that database? They people are hearing, but market is there. But existing people, but new project is not coming. But existing projects are they are hearing for L3, L2 level, guys.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Why? Because in outside of market, what happened, right? They're moving to the even Oracle side also. They based on the cost of license. They're moving to the Postgres and Postgres cloud. They're moving to the cloud or Postgres side. So either
Yes,
MSSQL or Oracle, MSSQL and Oracle operators, all domains, they're moving to the Postgres open source. That's the
yeah,
problem.
yeah, yeah. As of now, so market is if you have the PostgreSQL, the people are asking for us any AWS and Azure. They are asking the combination. Sometimes rare case
Yeah.
in are asking for the MS SQL. But these two things are available in our maybe resume. No, I think our resume will be come on good weightage. Correct.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
but most of the things that people are checking, just before you have saying something for me, Venkat, you have, could you please, in our maybe session, could you please let me know that migration, the migration they also are asking, migration they are asking, but they are asking for
Yes, we
upgrade
have
also.
migration, sir.
Yes, yes, yes.
Oracle PC
Yeah.
upgrade everything. Okay, if you see my content, let me show you. You can see here, this is the DBA course, the installation, uninstallation, PC admin cluster, multi-cluster, event variables, enable remote connection, shutdown modes, parameters, contrib models, this architecture work, tool section, enable archive mode, auto commit, table space, logical backup, physical backup, point in time recovery, patching, upgradation, replication, switchover, failover, maintenance task, performance tuning, PG bouncer, Ora to PG migration. This is the migration we are using Ora to PG tool. And PG Badger and EDB installation, difference between EDB and Postgres, then AWS RDS. Okay, so RDS instance creation. So these are everything it's covered because we are not we are not started not recently, right? So
Yeah.
we are giving this training last 6 years onwards. We completed almost 37 batches. So we covered all the things. That's why we get this many people now also. All are reference
Yeah.
students only. Okay.
Yeah, Ankit, one thing, if you miss the class, you can share this video right next day. If you, for example, if you outside people very difficult to every day
Yeah,
attend the
DBA
class. Okay.
classes will give the read access. SQL, Linux, we give the full access. For DBA
Mhm.
videos, we are giving the read only access, lifetime access.
Okay.
Yeah, daily, every day we'll share the recordings and material.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Any queries, Shay?
Venkat, if you are using in RDS, we need to we need to use the PG admin, no, Venkat?
Yeah, yes.
Yeah. But we have a console, but putty is there. But RDS said most of the guys
No,
using
putty,
only.
it's not allowing, na?
Yes. Correct,
You
correct.
want to connect jump box via jump box, you can
Yeah.
connect command
Yes.
prompt.
Correct.
Server level, we don't have access.
Yes.
So
Correct.
we should access as a database as a service using PG admin or DBVR.
Correct.
If you want to connect RDS via command prompt, you have to take one empty Linux machine.
Mm.
There you have to install binaries. You get the PSQL, right? You can using PSQL, connect the RDS instance using remotely using -h, PSQL -h, host name, -d DB name, like,
Correct.
yeah. Yeah, hi. So the installation completed. It's asking to reboot the system. Okay, so when you click on reboot system, so it's restarting the Linux machine. Once restart the Linux machine, we can able to log in. Let's wait. Yeah, hi. So you can say when you click on license information, so just you need to select accept the license agreement, then click on done. Okay, so finish configuration. You can say now the installation finish. So we have to log in with user. So ABC with ABC user also we can log in, but always we log in with root user, that is the admin user in Linux system. Click on not listed. So username, what is the username? Root. Click on next. What is the password? I give an Oracle while installation. Click on sign in. This is how you can log into Linux server. Let's opening. So can say so. Okay. So in Linux, all the commands we are giving commands in terminal. Okay. So here you can say click on next, 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 skip, start using Oracle Linux server. Click on close. So go to activities, click on terminal. So here only we are giving the commands. So can say when you log in with the root user, we are able to see hash. And also this is the current user, login user. We log in with when you log in with the user, root user, the username will be printed here. Here we can see hash. Other than root user, if you log in with some other user, here you can see dollar, not hash. Either hash or dollar. Dollar means other than root user, they log in. Hash, if you see hash means if you log in root user. Here you can see the username will be printed here. This is the host name, host shortcut name, Oracle Linux 8. Clear? Any queries from anyone? Okay. So we done installation. Okay. So we'll continue tomorrow. Okay. How to shut down the mission? You can use init 0 or you can close this here. Better to use init 0 command to shut down the Linux mission. Let me shut down init 0. Is going to shut down the Linux machine. Tomorrow when you start, when you want to practice, just you can, so open the here, you can start it. How to start it? Just select the mission, you can start. It's going to start the Linux server. Once started, you have to wait to complete start. Once started, you can log into username root user, password Oracle, what password you provided while installation. Any queries from anyone? Yes. Let me wait to complete start. You can see it's completed started. Okay, we have to log in root Oracle. Yes, you log in with the root user. I want to see OS version, which OS installed on this server. Okay, can see Click on terminal. There is a cat/etc OS release. Just you can to find the which OS operating system installed on this, you can use this command cat space slash etc slash OS hyphen release to get the which operating system it's currently running on this server. Oracle Linux 8.10. Okay, so I am shut down the mission again. Init 0. So we'll see. We'll continue tomorrow. Any queries, let me know, or else we'll continue tomorrow.